Uh, Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Um, Today, I'm going to demonstrate the dual display extension functionality I developed. Um, this extension functionality for the dual display will support auto scroll if are there are a lot of uh, cut lines in the cart and it will be overflow. So normally for the uh, out of box post dual display, we did not support this function. And I see several custom uh, from cross region, like from email, from Asia, and even from US, they request this functionality, and they face some problem to make the cut dual display cut auto screw, especially screw to the last cut line. That make make the retail customer very confused because you can imagine with the stand in front of the dual display stock commerce, they know more and more products are put into the cart, but they did not see any change in the dual display cart. So in order to resolve this issue, I developed this functionality, and I will show you how it works. Okay, so now you can see I just log into our store commerce, and the store commerce cart is empty. I will add cart line one by one, maybe after maybe until there are about 50 lines in the cart and the dual display the cart in the dual display will auto scrolling to the last cart line. That will relieve customers' concern to see, hey, our cart is really adding more products. I will show you. Firstly, let's add the product 001. Okay, so you can see in our main post and the dual display cart, we see there are single product line in the cart, and I will add more. You can see till now I have already added about 16 lines, 60 product in the cart line, and all of them can be visible in the cart line. So if we add more product into the cart, you know, the space of the dual display cart cannot hold all of them, so they have to screw. I will show you. Okay, now you can see the last cut line I add has been showing. The product number is 0016, and the first line and 0001 has been screwed out of the cut, the dual display cut space. And I'll add more and ask, and we will let you know how it works. I'll add more products. You can see until now there are 20. I mean, the last product I put into the cart is 0020, and the first 4 product has been screwed out outside of the carts, but the uh, the the carts has the product has been into the cart later is still showing, so that we will let customer know that hey, we are more product are putting into the cart. The cart is really changing, and I will add more, maybe 5 or 10. Okay, so till now you can see I has already add around the 30 products into the cart, and the latest product added already been showing in the cart, and even the previous cart line has been scrolled out. So that's the main function I have done for this. But the power of this dual display is not limited to that. Like in the um, like in the main post, like in the main post, you can see currently the first line, the product number is 0047. So in the main product, if I try to edit, I mean, I edit or make some change of these products, and then the dual display cart will auto scroll to the corresponding cart line to match the main cart. I will show you if I try to edit the first cart line in the main cart. I select the first cart line in the main post, and then I try to edit that, like if I change its quantity from 1 to 2. See, the first product will be showing in the cart. Yeah, if we try to edit the last or later part of the cart line, like the last second part cart line, if I choose that, I click actions, I change it, maybe I change its quantity from 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Yeah, when the main cut line update done, yeah, you can see the last cut line will be, the dual display cut will scroll to the last cut line we just added. So yeah, that's all what I have done. But I know there are some okay. So besides that, you can see we have already added some something like imaginations to show the picture of the city, of the beautiful pictures of the city of store, and then to beautify the dual display and then make the customer feeling better when they sitting in front of the carts waiting the cashier to put their product into cart and calculation and checkouts. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, but I think there are still something need to be improved in future, like the animation is not perfect, and the cut line, the dual display cut lines cannot be cannot be selected and showing focus on that. But I think so far it's good enough to relieve customer concern when they're sitting in front of the stock commerce dual display. That's all. Thank you.